Hi everyone, welcome back to Taste Life Givers. Today we're diving into a controversial topic. Did you know that some vegetables can actually harm your health, especially if you're over 60? Yep, you heard that right. In today's video, we'll uncover the 10 vegetables that may do more harm than good for seniors. Let's protect your health by knowing what to avoid and why. Let's get into it. Are you or a loved one over 65? Did you know that some seemingly healthy vegetables can actually pose risks to seniors? Let's uncover some surprising truths about your diet. Many believe that all vegetables are universally healthy. However, for the elderly, certain vegetables can trigger health issues. This is due to factors like weakened immune systems, medication interactions, and changes in digestion. This video will reveal 7 vegetables that the elderly should approach with caution. We'll explain the risks and offer safer alternatives. Remember, this information is general and not a substitute for personalized medical advice. Before we dive in, it's crucial to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide tailored dietary recommendations based on your specific health needs. Let's get started. Raw leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, and kale are often touted as health foods. However, they can harbor harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. These bacteria can cause serious foodborne illnesses. The elderly are particularly vulnerable to these infections. Their immune systems are often weaker, making it harder to fight off bacteria. This can lead to severe symptoms and complications. Cooking leafy greens is a simple way to kill bacteria. Steaming, sautéing, or boiling them significantly reduces the risk of infection. Consider these cooked alternatives for safer consumption. Pre-washed, bagged greens might seem convenient. However, they can still be contaminated. Wash them thoroughly before eating, even if the packaging says they are pre-washed. Vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are packed with fiber. While fiber is generally beneficial, excessive amounts can cause problems for the elderly. These problems include gas, bloating, and constipation. The elderly often experience digestive issues. Reduced mobility can also contribute to constipation. High-fiber vegetables can exacerbate these problems, leading to discomfort. Cooking these vegetables thoroughly can help soften the fiber. This makes them easier to digest. Steaming or roasting them until tender is a good approach. Consider choosing lower-fiber vegetable options. These include cooked carrots, green beans, and peeled cucumbers. These are gentler on the digestive system. Nightshade vegetables include tomatoes, potatoes, especially green ones, and eggplants. These vegetables contain compounds that can trigger inflammation in some individuals. This is a concern for the elderly. Some elderly individuals may experience exacerbated arthritis symptoms after consuming nightshades. This is due to the potential inflammatory effects. Joint pain and stiffness may worsen. Monitor your symptoms carefully after eating nightshades. Keep a food diary to track any adverse reactions. This will help you identify if these vegetables are problematic for you. If you suspect that nightshades are causing inflammation or other issues, consult your doctor. They can help you determine if you need to eliminate or limit these vegetables from your diet. We've covered 3 vegetables that the elderly should approach with caution: raw leafy greens, high-fiber vegetables, and nightshade vegetables. Each presents unique risks that can impact health and well-being. Remember, consulting with a doctor or registered dietitian is crucial. They can provide personalized dietary advice based on your individual health needs and conditions. Don't make drastic changes to your diet without professional guidance. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Spreading awareness can help protect the health of our elderly loved ones. Knowledge is power. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on senior health and wellness. We're committed to providing you with valuable information to help you live a healthier and a happier life. Remember, healthy eating is possible at any age. With the right knowledge and guidance, you can make informed choices that support your well-being. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take care. Medical disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional for any health concerns or before making any decisions related to your health or treatment.